FlexiSpot has earned a solid reputation in the ergonomic furniture market with its affordable and feature-rich products. Two standout items in their lineup are the FlexiSpot E7 PLUS standing desk and the FlexiSpot C7 ergonomic office chair. Together, these products create a comfortable and efficient workspace solution that balances style and functionality. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. The FlexiSpot E7 PLUS standing desk offers an impressive blend of stability and value. It stands out as one of the most affordable four-leg standing desks that maintains genuine stability, an uncommon feature in this price range. The E7 PLUS arrives in 3 well-packed boxes, 2 for the frame and 1 for the surface. The assembly process, while not overly complicated, leans toward the complex side due to the TW motor system, which requires hex rods to share motors between the sides of the frame. Depending on experience, assembly may take between 45 minutes to 2 hours. It comes standard with a 4-button programmable switch, manual height adjustment buttons, and a USB charging port. The E7 PLUS boasts a 540 lb static capacity and a 440 pounds lifting capacity. Although the difference between these two figures can feel a bit misleading, the lifting capacity remains impressive. The height adjustment speed is 1 inch per second, but the desk offers an adjustment range from 27 to 52.6 inches, making it suitable for a variety of users. In terms of stability, the E7 PLUS performs well at lower to mid-height ranges, showing some wobble only near its maximum height 50 inches. The build quality is generally solid, though there are some concerns with the use of plastic parts in the connection of the hex rods to the motor, which could be a potential weak point over time. However, FlexiSpot backs the E7 PLUS with a 15-year warranty, providing reassurance. The FlexiSpot C7 ergonomic office chair offers a modern and minimalist design that fits seamlessly into contemporary workspaces. The C7 arrives in compact, well-protected packaging. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to a detailed user manual. The FlexiSpot C7 features a full mesh body, offering both flexibility and durability. With a weight capacity of up to 320 pounds, the mesh design is ideal for warmer climates and individuals who tend to get hot while seated. The seat is spacious, allowing for comfortable leg crossing. If the chair includes the footrest option, users may find themselves relying on this feature for added comfort, reducing the need to cross legs. The C7 offers a range of adjustments to suit individual preferences, including seat height, 19.3 to 22.6 inches, and seat depth, 17 to 20 inches. The forward tilt adjustment is a standout feature, shifting weight onto the legs for a more grounded and stable feel. Combining the C7 with a standing desk, like the FlexiSpot E7 Pro, can enhance posture and comfort, particularly for those who alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day. The C7 offers a 105-degree recline, works well for slight reclining during breaks or video watching. The armrests are well padded and offer 3 adjustments: height, forward, backward movement, and rotation inwards, outwards. Both the FlexiSpot E7 PLUS standing desk and the FlexiSpot C7 ergonomic office chair offer excellent value for their price points. The E7 PLUS is a reliable, stable option for those seeking an affordable standing desk, while the C7 chair brings a modern design and functional ergonomics to any workspace. Together, they create a cohesive setup that promotes comfort, good posture, and productivity. FlexiSpot continues to deliver affordable ergonomic solutions that meet the needs of a wide range of users, making both the E7 PLUS and C7 strong contenders in their respective categories. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.